easy, cheesy, stuffed shell pasta. This right here is so amazing. I'm talking flavor on top of flavor, baby, and it takes no effort at all, and you know what it is. I'm about to get right into it and show you how it's done. So let's not waste any more time, and let's get started. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water to a rolling boil. I'm just going to drop in some chicken bouillon as well as some salt. And once we have that out the way, we're going to drop in those jumbo shells. You don't have to use the entire box, maybe about 3/4 I would say. And I'm just going to give it a stir, top it off, and let it boil until it's al dente. You can look at the directions on the box, but for me it was about 5 or 6 minutes. And once that time is up, you want to go ahead and drain them and set them on to the side. Moving on, I have my pan to about a medium high, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in there, and we're dropping in about a pound of mild Italian sausage. And I'm just gonna use my spoon to kind of break the meat down, and we're gonna just brown this up just like so. Once your sausage is almost there, you're gonna drop in some chopped onion as well as some garlic paste, and you're gonna go ahead and just stir everything in and let it continue to cook for a few more minutes, maybe about 2 to 3 more minutes. Once that time is up, you're gonna drop in a can of your favorite pasta sauce. Go ahead and just mix that right on in. And once we have all our sauce in there, we have this bad boy simmering, we're also gonna season this up proper. All the seasoning and the ingredients will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. Always check the description box. The seasonings and everything is always gonna be right there for you to have. All right, so our seasoning is just going on in. We're gonna mix this up, and we're gonna let this just kind of simmer and do its thing for an additional, I would say 5 to 6 minutes or so. You're gonna let it simmer on like a medium low, okay? I have myself here a mixing bowl. I'm just gonna drop in some ricotta cheese. I'm gonna drop in some fresh parsley as well as some Parmesan cheese. You wanna get each and every one of these ingredients in this bowl, and you're gonna go ahead and give it a mix. And this is one of the ingredients we're gonna be stuffing our shells with, along with that yummy, meaty pasta sauce. So at this point, I have my oven preheated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm just dropping a little bit of that yummy sauce right on the bottom of our baking pan right here, just so our shells have something to sit on. And we're just gonna get to stuffing. I'm gonna begin by taking a spoonful of that yummy sauce, that meaty yummy pasta sauce, and we're gonna put that in the shell. And we're gonna take another spoon of our ricotta cheese with all that yumminess, and we're gonna stuff that in as well. And you're just gonna place it in your pan, and you're gonna continue stuffing until your pan is full and you have all your shells out the way. All right, now that our shells are ready to go, I'm just gonna spoon some of that sauce right on top, just like so. This is just a little bit of sauce that I had left in the pan. I'm just gonna just spoon a little bit on top. And then we're gonna grab a whole lot of mozzarella cheese, and you're just gonna drop that on top as well. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. I can't wait for you to try this for real. I am not joking when I say this is bomb.com. So once you have your cheese on there, you want to go ahead and toss this bad boy in the oven. Like I said, at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until your cheese is fully melted. And this is how you should be looking, fresh up out the oven, baby, looking good. Come on now, stop playing with me. Hey, so go ahead and plate up. Get your finest china out the cabinet. It is time. Okay, grab a spoonful of that yummy, cheesy gooiness right there and just plop it right on a plate. Get yourself a fork and bust down. Right here, as you can see, took no effort, but it's maximum deliciousness right here. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Leave your boy a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.